Hello everybody, today is June 2nd, Tuesday. Today I took this setup. I'm going to be talking about why I took this trade, my confluences, what I was thinking. Start off, I'll show you guys the P&L. So we're up 3K on this eval, not this eval, we're up 3K on the funded. Today was a $300 day. This is what I looked like last month, and 3-day win streak continues so far. We're looking for a max payout, but so coming into the market today, let's see. What the hell? Okay. So market opens, we sweep out low res liquidity. We have a lot of resting highs above. I was waiting for the 10 a.m. open. We resweep lows on NQ. ES pumps higher and takes up these highs. So market conditions weren't looking great into the morning, so I was low risk today. So I hop on about now, and right now what I'm thinking is going to happen is it seems like we're tapping into this. I think this was an hourly gap that I had marked out. We're tapping into this hourly gap, and we seem to be reacting off of it. So scaling back down to the 1 minute, I was thinking that price is probably going to reverse off of here, and I would have considered taking an entry off of here, but there was no inverses on the 1 minute, so I decided to stay away from that and wait for the 10 a.m. open. So we get the 10 a.m. open right here, and 10 a.m. opens higher, sweeping all of this liquidity, and the rest that we have, the other highs that we have are resting up here, which is pretty high res. And since we just had such a quick move up, I was thinking that I was going to be targeting a rebalance. So coming into the 10 a.m., I was thinking that we would be getting a short setup because I wanted to see price after this. Like there's so many bullish candles without any retraces except for right here into the key open. I was expecting a retrace down somewhere into here, like this key level or this open again, something like that. So that's what I was looking for. Okay, so we start manipulating buy side, and then once we came down here on this candle, oh wait, no, not this candle. Once we came down here on this candle, nope, not this candle. Once we came down here on this candle, I put my limits right here before this candle ended up closing, and that was a pretty dumb move of me, and that's why some of my profits got pulled back for me. I took limit orders right here and put them above because I thought that we would retrace back then go down to short, but I ended up just getting stopped out immediately. But then we ended up getting a resweep and back down, and then we tap into the 10 a.m. again, we swing higher, then we react off of that fair value gap and get an inverse, and once we inverse this gap, that's when I get in the trade. So I'm then in on this candle, and I waited for this to come up and tap into this for value gap too, so I got entered in about up there. And on the live, I took one, I had one contract sell off here, and then I had another contract sell off here, and on the funded I had 3 contracts sell off here and then 2 contracts sell off down here. So this pushes down lower. I sell off 50% of my position on the live, then I sell off a good percentage of my funded account, and I was looking to push further to take this low, and we end up not taking it. So after this candle, I had my stops right up here, and then we just got stopped out for profit. And then after this point, the market ended up reversing and pushing higher. So I was correct on the rebalance idea of it, but we didn't end up continuing any lower than that. I thought that we were going to want to come out and sweep this low because I'm pretty sure this is data low, and that's what I was expecting. Still keeping the win streak alive, which I'm happy with. I will have an opportunity to take like a $1,500 payout if I want to, which I don't think I'm going to yet, but I want to see if I can get a max payout. And yeah, that's all for today.